Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this short tutorial, we will learn how to edit a drop-down list in Microsoft Excel. So let's start it. First, open your Excel worksheet containing the drop-down list you want to make changes. Select the drop-down list you want to edit. For example, we want to add more colors name in this list. Now navigate to the Data tab and select Data Validation. If we want to edit the drop-down list, we need to remove the information in the choice box. Highlight it and press delete. Now we will select the new colors we want to add. You can notice the information has changed in the choice box. Now confirm by clicking OK. The new list is ready now. That's it. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.